Not a lot of things baffle the Maverick anymore. But this controversy at Valieva is baffling the Maverick. Valieva is the outstanding 15-year-old from Russia. Is that she's an innocent minor being manipulated by adults and should not be subjected to the trauma of suspension and blah, blah, blah. But you know, say, this wrong though. Fundamental principle of fair play. It cannot be that any man, boy, woman, or girl tests positive for a banned substance and is still allowed to compete against athletes who are clean. It is morally and ethically wrong and directly contradicts the very reason for sport is that it is okay to take drugs. And if you get caught, you will be excused based on your age. What can go? What can go? What can go?